When I first got into credit cards almost 2 years ago, I vividly remember sitting at my desk and just Googling best credit cards into the search bar. The Google results are probably results that each and every one of you are familiar with. Some type of NerdWallet link or Forbes Advisor link that was literally titled Best Credit Card of a Certain Month. While these types of links are pretty legit and also kind of informative, they're not really that helpful. They don't tell you things like what a trifecta is or how to maximize points earnings, or which credit cards to get first and which ones to get later on. So in this video, I'll be trying to answer all of those questions as well as show you guys which credit cards that I'll be getting in 2023. Think of it as a credit card New Year's resolution. And before we start though, here's the list of credit cards that I currently have. I have the Chase Freedom Flex, the Discover It Cashback Credit Card, the Amazon Prime Visa Signature Card, the Wells Fargo Autograph Card, the Citi Costco Anywhere Visa Card, and the Capital One Venture X Card. Clearly, as you can tell, I'm not very loyal to any credit card ecosystem right now. And hopefully in 2023, we can change that. For right now, I use my Chase Freedom Flex as both my dining option credit card since it gives 3% back, as well as any of the 5% rotating categories depending on which quarter it is. I use my Discover It Cashback credit card for the same purpose and pray that these two credit cards don't overlap in rotating categories. I use my Amazon Prime card for any Amazon purchase ever. The Citi Costco card is mainly used to get gas at Costco and to be able to go inside Costco. The Wells Fargo Autograph card is mainly used for my cell phone plan as well as paying for select streaming services, and then the Capital One Venture X card as both my main travel credit card as well as my catch-all credit card. Alright, so with any credit card roadmap, the first thing that we have to figure out is exactly what you want to do with the credit cards that you want. Deciding whether or not you're on Team Cashback or Team Points or just a combination of both will guarantee no wasted money on your credit card journey. And don't worry, it's definitely okay to switch teams later on because everyone's lifestyle changes. The first question that I want to answer is to get as many no annual fee credit cards as possible. For me personally, within my own wallet, 3 out of 6 credit cards that I currently have are no annual fee credit cards. And the reason for this tip is that within your credit score report is a category called Age of Credit History. This category basically ages like fine wine. The longer your credit card history is, and having no annual fee credit cards guarantees that you'll never have to close any of these accounts in the future, as opposed to you having an annual fee credit card as your first credit card, realizing that you don't really use that credit card anymore and having to pay an annual fee every single year because that credit card helps your age of credit category within your credit score report. Other things that you should take into consideration when creating your credit card roadmap is what your future plans are and also what type of lifestyle that you live. For example, if you live in a city like New York and don't have a car, it might be a good idea to seek out the American Express credit cards such as the Platinum card that gives you a ton of Uber statement credits, as well as a ton of other benefits that benefit people that live in big cities. Or if you're someone who's a foodie and loves cooking at home and dining out, maybe something like the American Express Gold card or the Capital One Saver One card is something you'd look into. And if you're planning on a couple of huge trips later on and would love for those flights and hotels to be free, maybe joining a credit card ecosystem that primarily earns points for travel related expenses is the way to go. For me personally, I'm trying to get as many points as I can, since that is the #1 way to redeem the points that you earn. These points can come in the form of alternate reward points by Chase, membership reward points by American Express, miles or rewards by Capital One. I've seen it shown in both ways, or thank you points by Citibank. There's a lot more point systems out there, but these 4 are the main ones that everyone seems to focus on. Before we continue, I just wanted to take a moment and talk about Extra wallets. Extra offers wallets of all preferences and sizes, with their slimmest wallets being the card holder line, which holds up to 12 plus cards, or the modular bifold line, which offers the classic old school look with a modern touch of being able to take off the card sleeve whenever you're looking for even more mobility. Did I mention that they even have wallets that are customizable for AirTags as well, or an 18 karat gold card holder for the bougiest credit card veterans in the credit card world? Whatever your preferences are, there's definitely Extra product out there that will definitely fit your style. And they're currently having their biggest holiday sale of the year, so you should definitely go on their website and check them out. I'm talking about up to 45% off your next Extra wallet, and when you use my personal code ERICGAL at checkout or with the link down in the descriptions down below, you'll get an additional 5% off your next product. Thank you again to Extra for sponsoring this video. find a wallet with X there that you'll definitely want to show off this holiday season. Like I mentioned before, these 6 credit cards are the ones that I currently have, and my main priority for 2023 is to complete 2 of the Trifectas. Credit card trifectas are a combination of 3 credit cards within the same credit card issuer ecosystem that guarantees the most value out of the money that you spend. Each credit card in the trifecta helps supplement the other credit cards, and each credit card within a trifecta has a role that they play, such as Chase's trifecta, usually consisting of the Chase Freedom Flex, the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The Chase Freedom Flex earns points in its 5% rotating category, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a flat rate catch-all card, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred opens the door to transfer partners and travel related benefits. And this is one of the trifectas I am planning to personally complete in 2023. The first credit card of 2023 that I'll be getting is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Since I already have the Chase Freedom Flex, adding the Chase Sapphire Preferred allows me to start using my hard-earned alternate reward points on one of Chase's 11 different transfer partners. The one transfer partner that I'm particularly eyeing on right now is the partnership with Hyatt Hotels. Hyatt Hotels is unanimously the best hotel rewards program out there, with people reporting upwards to 10 cents per point redemption rates. And once I get out of Chase's 524 credit card jail in January, this will be the first credit card that I get. After that, I'm not particularly keen on completing the trifecta, since I already have a great catch-all card with the Capital One Venture X credit card. And speaking of Capital One credit cards, the other credit card that I'm planning to get in 2023 is none other than the Capital One Savor One credit card. The Savor One is a beast of a credit card, and paired with Venture X is commonly named the Capital One Duo. The Savor One is a no annual fee cashback credit card that earns me 3% cashback in dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, plus 8% on Capital One Entertainments and Vivid Seats, as well as 10% cashback on Uber and Uber Eats, as well as Uber One membership. And not everyone knows this because Capital One doesn't advertise it much themselves, but the cashback that you earn with the Savor One credit card can be converted into Capital One miles, so that you can use those miles on one of Capital One's 17 different transfer partners. Once I have these 2 credit card ecosystems covered, I'm pretty much set, aside from focusing on some business credit cards. And you're probably wondering, Eric, why aren't you trying to focus on the American Express ecosystem? And one of the main reasons is that I don't particularly believe that I need them right now. The American Express ecosystem is great, arguably one of the best ecosystems out there, but given my current lifestyle, the benefits of having these cards aren't significant enough for me to entice me to get them just yet. Again, I want to reiterate that you should figure out your own lifestyle and strategy first before getting a brand new shiny credit card. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.